Hello, grade 7. This is an explanation video on our Wakelet lesson, which is lesson number 1, Métis and Identity. You'll find within this lesson that everything you need is within this one link, including your assignments in Google Forms. So I'm just going to take you down and take a look. So if you scroll down, you'll see there's information, a photo, a little bit more information. I'll explain that cartoon later. More information, and then 2 forms. You can see one is at the bottom, it says Métis Identity, and one is in the middle, it says a short quiz. So there's a couple of features of Wakelet that I like. It's all in one place, including your assignment. But one of the things that I want you to really pay attention to is right here, and you can see that there is a little microphone. So I'm going to turn it on for you, but I won't do all of them because you can do it on your own. So here you go. And then you press play down here at the bottom.
The Red River Métis. While the people living in Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia were busy establishing the new country of Canada.
So anywhere in Wakelet that you see this little sound button, that means that you can play it and Wakelet will read it out loud for you. As you go down, you'll see lesson number 1. And again, it can play it out loud for you as you read along. So make sure that you're reading all of the content, taking careful notes. And then we're talking about Métis identity. So, we're learning about political cartoons. This cartoon is a little bit controversial. It says Métis. He's saying, who am I exactly? What is my identity? I don't quite understand it. Then you'll go here and you'll click on your short quiz. It does take a moment to load, so just make sure you're patient until you see all of those that have stopped. So it says here, complete the questions below to summarize the cultural identity of the Red River Métis. Check off all boxes that are correct. Use the chapter pages included to help you answer the questions. So here's what you'll do. You'll read through, answer the questions below, and you're going to check off all that apply. Then you'll read through and answer this question and answer this question. Okay, so that's it. So that's the first quiz. And then it tells a little bit more about the culture of the Red River Métis. And then you're going to complete the Métis identity questions in this Google form. Now this one is a little bit more involved, so make sure that you put some time aside. In Google Forms, it does save your work, but this one will take about a half an hour, 45 minutes. So I would suggest that you really take your time. So you're going through, you're taking notes. You can take notes in your visual journal or in a Google Doc and just go through slowly. We've got Métis singer-songwriter, going to read that over. We've got a video on the Métis jig. Then you've got a question about the jig. Then you have more information. You're taking notes. You're learning all through here. And then we've got an article on 3 different points of view. Sir John A. Macdonald, George Brown, and Poundmaker. And the last 3 questions were, what are the points of view on the Métis and the Red River? And whose opinion do you agree with and why? So that's your assignment for this week. So when you look through this Wakelet link, that is your whole week's assignment. So make sure you read it all, you go through, you read through the Google form information, you take notes, and then you press Submit in Google Classroom when you have both Google Forms.